Imagine a coffee substitute with zero caffeine content. Sounds impossible, right? Meet Chicory, the underdog of coffee substitutes. This root-based brew holds a surprising secret. It's completely caffeine-free. In a world where coffee reigns supreme, its omnipresent caffeine often gets the best of us. But here's the twist. Chicory is stepping up to the plate, offering a delicious and healthy alternative that's been under our noses all along. So, if you're looking for a caffeine-free coffee experience, Chicory could be your next go-to beverage. Coffee, despite its tempting aroma and taste, often comes with a set of drawbacks. You see, while coffee is a beloved beverage for many, it's not without its share of issues. For instance, those late-night cups of coffee, savored for their rich flavor and warmth, may be the very reason you lay awake at night, counting the minutes till dawn. Yes, we're talking about insomnia, a common side effect of caffeine, the stimulant found in coffee. Caffeine, while it can give you that much-needed morning jolt, can also cause restlessness and anxiety. Ever had your heart racing after a few cups of coffee? That's caffeine at work, and for some, this can lead to heightened anxiety, making it difficult to unwind or focus. And then there's the impact on our digestive system. Coffee is known to stimulate the production of stomach acid, which can lead to discomfort, especially for those with conditions like acid reflux or ulcers. Plus, let's not forget the diuretic effect of coffee, which can lead to frequent trips to the bathroom. Moreover, some of us may have a sensitivity or intolerance to caffeine, which can cause symptoms like headaches, jitteriness, and even palpitations. For these people, a cup of coffee might not be the best way to start the day. And let's face it, the dependency on coffee can be a real struggle. The more you consume, the more your body becomes accustomed to it. This means you need more and more to feel the same effects, leading to a vicious cycle of caffeination and crash. It's easy to overlook these issues when you're enveloped in the comforting aroma of a freshly brewed cup. But these are real concerns, and they're causing more and more people to question their daily coffee habit. Given these issues, it's no surprise that health-conscious individuals are exploring other options like Chicory. So, if you're one of those people looking for a healthier, less jittery way to start your day, or if you're simply curious about alternatives to your daily brew, stick around. Chicory, a plant that's not new to the culinary world, is now getting the recognition it deserves. Indeed, this humble plant has been gracing our tables for centuries, but only recently has it started to gain traction as a coffee substitute. Let's take a stroll down memory lane, shall we? The tale of chicory dates back to ancient Egypt, where it was grown for its medicinal properties. Fast forward to the 19th century, during the American Civil War and Napoleon's blockade in France, chicory emerged as a practical coffee substitute due to coffee shortages. It's been a staple in Southern and French cultures ever since. But chicory isn't just a stand-in for coffee. This plant has a culinary personality all its own. Its leaves are used in salads, and its roots are baked, ground, and used as a flavoring in stews and gravies. In Belgium, it's even a popular vegetable side dish. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. Chicory as a coffee substitute. The roots of the chicory plant are roasted and ground to create a substance that looks remarkably like ground coffee. When brewed, it produces a drink with a flavor profile similar to coffee, but with a slightly woody and nutty taste. It's quite the gastronomic experience. But what really sets chicory apart is its nutritional profile. It's a rich source of inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that promotes gut health. Inulin also helps in regulating blood sugar levels, making chicory a good option for those who need to monitor their sugar intake. Additionally, it contains a decent amount of manganese and vitamin B6. Chicory also boasts of a caffeine-free nature. That's right, you can enjoy a cup of chicory coffee any time of the day without worrying about disrupting your sleep pattern or causing those unwanted coffee jitters. So chicory is not just a coffee alternative, it's also a nutritional powerhouse. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the things we overlook can hold the greatest potential. Now, isn't that something to ponder over your next cup of coffee? Or should we say, chicory? Now, you may be wondering, what does chicory taste like? And how can it enhance your coffee experience? Well, let's talk about that. Chicory has a taste that's quite distinct. Imagine a blend of chocolate and coffee with a hint of earthiness. It's a subtle flavor, not overpowering, but rich enough to make your taste buds take notice and come alive. But the taste is only part of the story. It's not just about what chicory brings to your palate, it's also about how it can transform your traditional coffee routine. You see, chicory can be prepared and enjoyed in a variety of ways. For instance, you can brew chicory root just like your regular coffee grounds. It's as simple as adding a spoonful or two to your coffee maker and letting it do its magic. The result? A satisfying, full-bodied brew that's low in acidity and caffeine. Or you can get a bit adventurous and mix chicory with your regular coffee for a unique blend. This is a fantastic way to gradually introduce your taste buds to the new flavor while still enjoying the familiar taste of your favorite coffee. But the chicory experience extends beyond the mug. Chicory root can also be used in baking or added to your morning smoothie. It's this versatility that makes chicory such a delightful discovery. Let me share a personal experience. The first time I tried chicory, I was admittedly a bit skeptical. But as I took that first sip, I was pleasantly surprised. The flavor was robust, yet smooth, and it lacked the acidity that sometimes makes coffee a bit hard to stomach. I immediately knew I had found a wonderful alternative for my morning routine. Since then, chicory has become a staple in my kitchen. It offers a delightful departure from the norm and adds an unexpected twist to my day. With its unique flavor and versatility, chicory can certainly add a new twist to your morning routine. So why not give it a go? You might just find that chicory is the coffee substitute you didn't know you needed. We've talked a lot about chicory, but let's summarize why it could be your next favorite beverage. Imagine sipping on a delicious, rich, and full-bodied drink that not only satisfies your coffee cravings, but also comes with a host of health benefits. That's chicory for you. A humble plant with roots that can be roasted and ground to produce a taste that can rival your regular cup of joe. Chicory's claim to fame isn't just its remarkable flavor, but its caffeine-free nature. Yes, you heard it right. Chicory is devoid of caffeine, making it an excellent choice for those who love the ritual of sipping a hot beverage, but want to avoid the jitters and sleep disturbances often associated with coffee. But the benefits don't stop there. Chicory is a nutritional powerhouse packed with inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that aids digestion and promotes gut health. It's also been linked to improved blood sugar control and reduced inflammation. Then there's the taste. Chicory has a unique flavor profile that's slightly woody and nutty, with a hint of caramel. It's a taste that can be enjoyed on its own or blended with coffee to add depth and complexity to your regular brew. But perhaps the most exciting thing about chicory is its versatility. It can be brewed in a coffee maker, steeped like tea, or even added to your favorite recipes for a nutritional boost. From chicory lattes to chicory-infused desserts, the possibilities are endless. Additionally, chicory is easy to prepare. Just like coffee, you can brew chicory in a French press, drip coffee maker, or espresso machine. It's as simple as replacing your coffee grounds with ground chicory or a blend of both. So, let's wrap it up. Chicory is caffeine-free, packed with health benefits, has a unique taste that can enhance your coffee experience, and is versatile enough to be a part of your culinary adventures. With all these benefits, chicory is more than just a coffee substitute. It's a healthy and delicious choice. So, why not give it a try? You might just find your new favorite beverage. Now that you know all about chicory, are you ready to give it a try? The world of coffee alternatives is vast, and chicory is a stellar contender. Its earthy, slightly sweet flavor might just be the change you've been looking for. Consider this challenge. For just 1 week, replace your morning coffee with a cup of chicory. You might brew it like traditional coffee or steep it like a tea. Perhaps you'd enjoy it cold brewed, a refreshing twist on a hot day. If you're feeling adventurous, you might even mix it with dandelion root for an extra health kick. The beauty of chicory is its versatility. You can adjust the strength to your liking, add a splash of almond milk, or sweeten it with a dash of honey. You're the brewmaster here, and chicory is your canvas. As you embark on this challenge, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Did you notice a difference in your energy levels? Did it help with your sleep quality? Did you find a new favorite recipe? Share your stories in the comments below. And remember, this isn't about giving up what you love, it's about exploring new possibilities, breaking routines, and finding what truly works for you. So, are you up for the Chicory Challenge? It's time to elevate your morning routine and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Remember, your health journey is personal. So, here's to exploring new healthy options like chicory. Thanks for watching.